Hello everyone, welcome to our Techland. Today is the third episode of Let's Create Something Random, where we will create something random. So I have this beautiful photo of the mountains and I want to create an abstract geometric artwork. I'm going to pick a color from my existing scene and I'll choose a rectangle and block the stroke. Then I'm going to copy paste the rectangle 4 more times and I'm going to align them together on top. Now I'll choose 4 more colors from my existing scene. So it's basically a color mood board type thing. I'll rearrange the color a bit from lighter to darker. Then I want to use a bit of complementary color. So yellow is missing in this photo because it was shot on monsoon. I'll create a circle while holding the shift key and I'm trying to replicate the sun. I'll add a rectangle in the middle and I want to be a bit wild, so I'll add a red. But the colors are a bit too harsh, so I'm going to use a blending mode to pop up the background a bit because I want the whole thing to be abstract at the same time unified. It was a fun video and you can choose different geometric pattern to create an abstract art. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it.